So LinkedIn is one of those applications that's been out for a very long time, and I'll give you a quick breakdown on exactly how to use this particular application. Now, number one, there's a lot of amazing stuff you can use within this app, so keep that in mind. The desktop and the application are basically the same thing, so whether you have the app or the desktop, it's basically the same process. So start off by going to linkedin.com, or you can just download the application, and when you open it up, it's probably going to ask you to either create an account or log in. Luckily for us, we can log in with either a Apple account, Google account, whatever other type of account you have. So you can just go through like that. Now within the application itself and within the desktop version, at the very top, you'll have your little panel that will allow you to search. Now in the top left, you'll basically have this type of icon that will allow you to go through and kind of get more access within your profile itself. So what you can do is you can tap into this profile icon here, and it will give you a breakdown on exactly your name of your account, your job, your saved post groups, games, and at the very bottom, you'll see the settings portion. If you ever want to change anything within your account, you can go through here and you can change a lot of things within your account. Account preferences, data and privacy, so many other things here. So you can also go through and just basically change that out. Now hopping back out here, if you ever want to search for anything, let's say you want to search for somebody or a post or whatever the case is, you can always go through here on the search bar and search for different things. Let's say you currently work at a company and you just want to search them within LinkedIn. What I can do is I can just go through, search up that company just like this, and then I can find that particular company. I can follow that company. I can even see similar companies like this. And then you can even tap into that company, and then you can follow this particular company. You can view their website. You can see their overview. If they're a public company, you can get more information here. And anybody who follows them or anything like that, it'll also show up within LinkedIn. And you can kind of see similar posts they've done, people, follow them, so many other things here. So you can kind of go through here and kind of configure exactly what you want, but that's another option you basically have here too. Now, you can also change it from being your home tab to about, to products, to post. So this is what a LinkedIn page is, but you can also go through and, kind of learn more about LinkedIn just by searching for things up there. Now in the top right, you'll have your messages icon. So if anybody's, following you or recruiting or anything like that, they can sometimes go through and they can, message you right here. So you can go through and get messaged, and that's another really cool thing, another option that you have here as well. So this is where you can basically check out your messages. Now hopping back out, you can also, kind of scroll through your feed itself, and just like LinkedIn or any other area, you can kind of just get an idea of all the different posts that are, within LinkedIn. So from here, if you want to interact with the post, let's say I really like this post, this person did whatever, I can like this particular post just by clicking the like button. I can leave a comment, I can repost, and I can even send it out. If I want to unlike it, I can just tap on this and unlike it there too. Now, that's kind of it for the post. It's a pretty basic thing. You can also exit out of posts if you don't like them. And you can also just tap on the three dots here if you want to further save it, share it, not interested, or you can report the post as well. At the very bottom, you'll have your home tab. You can also tap on My Network, and what that tab will do is it'll show you a list of all of these people around you that are similar to you, that might be friends of friends or mutuals, and you can go through and add them as friends too. Maybe you know them, so that's another easy way of seeing it. If you want to post on LinkedIn, you can click on that post button right there, and then you can actually post further and kind of just talk about exactly whatever you want to talk about. So from here, you can just kind of say, hey, job update or anything like that, and you can post it. You can add a photo by tapping on these portions down here too. That's another cool thing you can do as well. You can hit the X button here. If you want to check your notifications, you can tap on notifications right there, and it'll give you a long list of all the notifications that you may currently have on your device too. So you can go through, kind of filter out those notifications like that. That's another option. And then at the bottom right, if you want to search for any jobs that are in your area, you can also tap on jobs. And any area where it's kind of similar to your styling or whatever, you can also go through and just kind of scroll through these. And you can basically go through and see what works best for you. If you want to apply for a job, you can also apply for them that way as well. So it's a pretty basic layout. There's nothing super crazy going on here, but that's essentially how you can go through and use the LinkedIn application. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.